You've joined us in Starting Up. Now, as the famous saying goes, one man's junk is another man's treasure. The junk in this case, well, old, outdated gadgets. The treasure, steel, iron and sometimes even gold. Our very own Surbhi Goyal caught up with Nitin and Rohan Gupta of Attero Recycling and brings us their story.
Chandigarh's Rock Garden, a hub of creatures made of junk, is a recycling inspiration to many who support the green living. Another source of inspiration, reducing hazardous emissions from gadgets and electronics, a cause which inspired Rohan and Nitin Gupta to start Attero Recycling.
What Attero really wants to do is take up this challenge, make people aware, collect all the e-waste and actually recycle it. So we want to create a clean tech powerhouse, right? So that's the basic aim.
Attero Recycling started in 2008 with a seed funding of $6 million. Today it boasts of a state-of-the-art e-waste recycling facility at Roorkee in Uttarakhand. From dismantling to metal extraction and final refining, Attero recycles each and every part of an electronic product.
For the mechanical separation system, we have a tie-up with a US company which has built the complete plant for us. It's a completely closed plant and there's no outlet so that the pollutants can go out or people working there will have some problems because it's completely sealed.
Someone's waste can be someone's asset. Monetizing on this thought, Attero started its journey by approaching companies and convincing them to not just sell their e-waste but give it to Attero to recycle it. And today over 200 companies are complying with the recycling process. While clients like LG, Tata and KPMG have joined hands with Attero to dispose of e-waste ecologically, investors like Indo-US Ventures and IFC helped the duo get over their initial hiccups and fostered its growth by pumping in funds. And while for many plans on paper strike the deal, Attero's vision scored points with DFJ.
So Attero again personifies what DFJ is really all about, which is, looking in the eyes of the entrepreneurs when they don't actually have anything to show, but that passion that they so exemplify and communicate is infectious enough that you say, you know what, here are two brothers who come from very middle class background, and they said, we believe so strongly in this business and in this market, and we want to make an impact that we're going to take our family's life savings and we're going to put it all into this. So there's actually, our skin in the game.
With that passion, the company achieved its break-even within a year of launch, and from current revenues of $1 million, it expects to reach a mark of $10 million in 2012.
Most of the companies have old IT equipments which still have a lot of life in it. So we try to extend that life and give it to people who cannot afford new system. And whatever is not reusable, it goes to our recycling facility and we recycle everything and we produce pure metals.
Reducing 300 tons of e-waste per month, Attero simply runs on the principle of 3 Rs. That is reduce, reuse, recycle.